Hi, welcome to Jurisage Academy's YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about the NIRF law rankings which have been released very recently, and we are also going to discuss that what does it mean for LLM aspirants. So if you are aspiring to LLM from India, then how much attention should you give to these NIRF law rankings? And we will also see what is NIRF and on what basis are these rankings basically made. So hopefully this will make you take an informed decision of whether you should be relying on these rankings solely for your LLM college or not. So firstly, we will be talking about what is NIRF. So NIRF is the National Institutional Ranking Framework, which was approved by the MHRD and it was launched in 2015. So NIRF reports have been launched since 2016 onwards, and this is a ranking of higher educational institutions in India. Now coming on to the categories that exist for it. So Indian rankings of NIRF are given under various categories. So you can see that there are categories like engineering, management, pharmacy, medical, dental, architecture, innovation, etc. And one of those categories is also law. So we will be focusing only on the NIRF law rankings for 2023. Now coming on to the parameters of evaluation. So now that we know that there are 30 colleges that have been covered in this NIRF, so on what basis is this list prepared? So NIRF basically says that these are the 5 parameters for them to evaluate a performance of a college. So teaching, learning and resources, research and professional practice, graduation outcome, outreach and inclusivity, and the perception of the college are the factors which are taken into account. So coming now to the very important question of what are the top colleges in this NIRF law rankings of 2023. So you can see that the first 4 positions are occupied by the national law universities. So first is NLS Bangalore, second is National Law University Delhi, third is Nalsar Hyderabad, fourth is NUJS Kolkata, and last 5th is Jamia Millia Islamia New Delhi. Apart from these, there are 25 other colleges in the list, of which some are national law universities, but there are many private as well as traditional universities also included in this list. Now, it's very interesting to see that out of the 25 national law universities in India, only 11 that participated in the rankings made it to the top 30 law schools. So you may be a little surprised to see the rankings of some of these national law universities, because a common perception in the legal community may be different from what you see in these rankings. So what does this mean for you? That is a very important question, that what should you do with these rankings? So first of all, you should take the rankings with a pinch of salt, because there are various parameters which may or may not be relevant for you while deciding your college. So as a prospective student of law, whether LLB, BLLB or LLM, do not decide your college based on these NIRF rankings, because the parameters of ranking may not align with what you should look for in your graduation college. Now coming specifically to the LL.M aspirants, you need to understand that for pursuing LLM in India, there are several factors which are important, like the specializations offered by the college, the faculty of the college, the quality of students, the alumni groups, the placement of the college. So all of these factors play a much important role than just blindly following some rankings which are released. So decide wisely as to which college you want to go for your LLM, and don't just go by the rankings that come out every year. So hopefully you would have understood what is NIRF ranking and how can you use them to your advantage. So if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.